Vivo V21 or Vivo V21e incoming calls problem or incoming calls not showing on display problem. Hello guys, welcome to Team Village channel, and in this video we will fix incoming calls problem in Vivo V21 or V21e. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So to fix incoming calls problem, simply first of all you just need to go to call settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video and watch complete video. Hope so this will fix your problem.